What I enjoyed the most about delivering the highest quality of care here is just to see the patients and the families happy with our care.
Every day I come to a hospital, then in my mind is, and at least I'm gonna help one person. That's my goal.
What brings me joy in patient outcome is seeing them walk out the front door, seeing them get healthy and go home to their families, and most importantly, seeing them smile.
I enjoy working with the interprofessional team here. So I used to be a nurse and now I work in clinical informatics. What drives me is the expertise that I'm surrounded by every time I work on a new project. So that's what drives me to work with a specialist from every field and learn something new every single day.
What motivates me is I remember when I was a student and I remember seeing a patient and thinking, what if that was my grandmother? And though I don't actually see these people, I know that every sample I'm touching is somebody's life.
Not all outcomes are positive, but if I can contribute to that experience, not being so traumatic, not having all bad memories, not being the worst time of somebody's life, then I've done my job well.
We all have family, friends, and through the years, you know, everybody will end up visiting a hospital at some point in time. And for me, it's very important that we take care of these people because this is us, and somebody will be taking care of us one day, and I'm glad that we can be a leader here at Markham Stouffville.
I would describe the care and services I received at Markham Stouffville Hospital as actually phenomenal. We had such a great experience. Both Avery and my son Jackson were born here.
We really couldn't have asked for anything more. From the time we came in Emerge until we went home again, we were really happy. We felt that people listened to us and they made us feel a little bit more relaxed.
People were not rushing ahead, you were being taken care of first. There was a process that you had to follow, which was great. But then when you look around and you see all the young staff, the young doctors and the young nurses, to me, that's great that there are people who want to be in this profession because without the young staff being here, I may not be here myself right now.
The 3 words I would use to describe the care that we received at Markham Stouffville Hospital would be caring, compassionate, and very personable. Right from coming in the doors when I was in labor with both of them until our exit out of the doors a couple days later.
The physicians and the nurses were fun, I have to say. We had a laugh or two, that's for sure, and they were comforting. They explained things to us. Whenever we had a question, it was answered. It was really helpful.
The care that I was given at Markham Stouffville here, I had to find a way to help everybody, from the volunteers to the nurses to the doctors that helped me. So I made a stained glass sunflower panel, which people can walk by, and to me it brightens up an area when you look at something like that. And that was just a thank you to the staff.
We believe you are a part of our family.
Everything we do
To make sure you are taken care of when you need us.
We like getting to know you.
Making sure you are informed
along your journey.
And treating you like we treat our own.
With dignity and respect.
We are Markham Stouffville Hospital.
Our family is here to help your family.